Hello, grade 3 students. Let's continue our topic on telling time. Telling time, part 2. Let's have our vocabulary. The first one is hours. Repeat after me, hours. Let's spell hours. H-O-U-R-S. Hours. R. Repeat after me. R. Let's spell R. H-O-U-R. R. Minute. Repeat after me. Minute. Let's spell minute. M-I-N-U-T-E. Minute. Very good. Okay, here we have the 24-hour clock. 24-hour clock. From the description, from the title here, 24, because the R's is equivalent to 24. Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then until 12, and then it goes to 13, 14, 15, 16, up to 24. But we put here 2 zeros. Our format for telling time using the 24-hour clock is R followed by minute and the word hours. Okay, so for example here, the one in the circle, in the green circle, is 0. So we put 0 in the R and 0 in minute, and then we write hours. So we read this as 0 hours. 0 hours. Let's answer the question. What time is it? What time is it? It's 0 hours. Let's tell the time. Okay, here we have our 24-hour clock. And the number circled is number 2. Number 2. Remember the R hand? The R hand is pointed to number 2. And then here we have the minute hand. The minute hand is pointed to, here it's always 0. So let's have our format, R followed by minute and then hours. Okay. So in R is 2 and the minute is 0. 2 hours. O 2 hours. we read it as O2 Rs. Let's answer the question. What time is it? What time is it? It's O2 Rs. Do you understand? Okay. Let's keep it up. Okay, let's have another example. Here, the circled number is 11. The R hand is pointing to 11. And the minute hand is pointing here, the 0. Let's have our format, R, minute, and Rs. Okay, so in the R, we write 11. In the minute, we write 0. 11 Rs. 11 Rs. We read it as 11 Rs. Let's answer the question. What time is it? What time is it? It's 11 Rs. Okay, another example here. The circled number is number 13. Okay, let's have our R hand pointing to number 13 and the minute hand pointing to, what's here, 2 or 10? Is it 2? Okay, it's 10. Wow, you remember. Let's have our format, R, minute, and Rs. So for R, we have 13. And for the minute, we have 10. 13, 10 Rs. We read it as 13, 10 Rs. Let's answer the question. What time is it? What time is it? It's 13, 10 Rs. Another example. Okay, the circled number is 20. The R hand is pointing to 20. And the minute hand is pointing to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have R, minute, Rs. So the R is 20 and the minute is 5. 20, 5 Rs. We read it as 20, 5 Rs. Let's answer the question. What time is it? What time is it? Good. It's 20:05 Rs. Sorry, I have a mistake here. This is not 5. This is 0. 20:05 Rs. Let's have another example. The number circled is 18. The R hand is pointing to 18. And also, the minute hand is pointing to the same direction. Let's have our format, hour, minute, hours. So here we have 18 for the hour and 30 for the minute. 18, 30 hours. 18, 30 hours. We read it as 18, 30 hours. Let's answer the question. What time is it? What time is it? It's 18:30 hours. Okay, now let's see this picture of morning. Morning. And let's see, look at the clock on the upper right. And let's guess the time. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, here's our format with hour, minute, and hours. Can you guess? Okay, so the hour hand is pointing near to 8, and the minute hand is pointing to, here it's 20. So the answer is 08:20 hours. It's 08:20 hours. Noon. Let's look at the picture for noon. Noon. Here we have both the hour hand and minute hand pointing to the same direction. Let's guess the time. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, we have our format, hour, minute, and hours. Okay, the answer is 12 hours. 12 hours. It's 12 hours. Okay, look at the picture of the afternoon. Afternoon. And let's see our clock here and guess the time. What time is it? What time is it? Let's have our format, hour, minute, hours. Okay, so the hour, it's not yet 3, so it's in the afternoon, so it should be past 12. So from here, it should be, so we start here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13, 14. Okay, in the afternoon, it's already 14. And then the minute hand is, what number here? 55. So the answer is 14:55 hours. 14:55 hours. It's 14:55 hours. Okay, look at the picture of the evening. Evening. And let's guess the time shown in the clock. What time is it? What time is it? Let's have the format hour, minute, and hours. So when we look here at our clock and determine the time in the evening, it means that it is already past noon. So we count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then our minute hand is number 10. So we write it as 18, 10 hours. It's 18, 10 hours. Look at the picture of the night. So at night, this is the picture. And let's look at our clock and guess what time is it? What time is it? Okay, so we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And the minute hand is pointing to number 10 here. Okay, look at our format and let's show the time. 23, 10 hours. 23, 10 hours. It's 23, 10 hours. Okay, next. Okay, this picture shows midnight. Midnight. Let's guess the time. What time is it? What time is it? Let's look at our format here. Hour, minute, and then hours. Let's look at the clock. So midnight is after evening. So here is 23 before, and then we go back to 0. When it's midnight, it's always 0. So the time is 0 hours. 0 hours. It's 0 hours. Okay, here's a summary of the 24-hour system. There are 3 clocks in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. Let's go to the first clock. We write it as the hour hand pointing nearly to 9. So we write 9. And then the minute hand pointing to, here it's 15. So we read it as 09:15 hours. Let's go to the next clock. In the afternoon, it means that it's past 12. So the time is here 12:13, and then the minute hand is pointing to 30. So we write it as 13:30 hours and read it as 13:30 hours. Let's go to the last clock at night. So at night we count, it's past 12, so we count here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then the minute hand is pointing to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write it 19 and then 0, 5. 19:05 hours. We read it as 19:05 hours. Did you get it? Do you understand? Very good. Let's practice. Okay, we have our 6 clocks here. Let's guess the time. What time is it? Number 1. What time is it? Can you guess? Okay. Very good. It's 0 hours. 0 hours. It's 0 hours. Let's go to number 2. At night. So this is past 12. Okay, go. Set. Okay, the answer is 23:20 hours. It's 23:20 hours. Let's go to number 3. In the evening. In the evening. So it means it is past 12. Can you guess? Go, go. Okay, the answer is 18:10 hours. It's 18:10 hours. Next. Okay, I gave the answer. Let's read it. In the afternoon, it's 15:40 hours. Sorry, this is wrong. This should be 45. 4, 5, not 0. 4, 5. It's 15:45 hours. It's 15:45 hours. Okay, let's go to the next number. Okay, this is just the same with the first clock, but it's at noon. So we write 12 hours. What time is it? It's 12 hours. Very good. Okay, let's go to our last clock. In the morning. In the morning. So this is before 12. Before 12. What time is it here? Can you guess the time? Okay. It's 9. Okay, this is another wrong answer. It should be 9:05 hours. 9:05 hours. Not 0, not 10, not 10. This is 05. So the answer is it's 09:05 hours. Not 9:10. It's 09:05 hours. Okay, so do you understand our lesson? Is it easy? Okay. Good job, students, and I will see you again in our next lesson. Goodbye and be happy. Bye-bye.